Hi students, welcome to the 8th grade physical science class. First part of this matter lesson, we have discussed classification of matter. And second part of this lesson, we are going to discuss classification of elements. Before we start the lesson, an interesting 1 minute reading for you all. Noble metals. The noble metals are metals that are resistant to corrosion and oxidation in moist air. The noble metals comprises ruthenium, rhodium, palladium, silver, osmium, iridium, platinum and gold. The noble metals tend to be valuable due to both their rarity in the earth crust and their applications in areas like metallurgy, high technology and ornamentations. Recap of the first part. In first part, we have discussed what is matter and classification of matter, that is solid, liquid, gases. And also we have discussed metals and physical properties of metals and uses of metals. Non-metals. Elements that generally do not shine, neither too hot nor too soft, are non-metals. All gases are non-metals. Some non-metals are sulfur, carbon, oxygen, etc. Physical properties of non-metals. Physical state. Non-metals occurs as solids, liquids or gases at normal temperature. For example, sulfur, phosphorus occurs in solid state while bromine occurs in liquid state. Gases like oxygen, nitrogen, etc. occur in the gaseous state. Hardness. Non-metals are generally not hard except diamond because it is a form of carbon. Luster. Non-metals have a dull appearance. Graphite and iodine are exception as they are shiny and lustrous. Density. Non-metals are generally soft and have low densities. The exception here is diamond, which is the hardest naturally occurring substance. Melting point and boiling point. Non-metals have low melting point and boiling point. However, carbon, silicon and boron are exceptions. Tensile strength. Non-metals do not have tensile strength. However, carbon fiber is a tensile as steel. Malleability. Non-metals are non-malleable. If hammered, they form a powdery mass. Actually, non-metals in solid state are brittle in nature. Ductility. Non-metals are non-ductile. Carbon fiber is highly ductile. Conductivity. Non-metals are generally bad conductor of electricity. Graphite is exception. Sonorous. Non-metals do not produce sound when hit. Uses of non-metals. Diamond is used for making jewels, cutting and grinding equipments. Graphite is used in making pencil lead. Sulfur is used in the manufacturing of gunpowder and vulcanization of rubber. Phosphorus is used in matches, rat poison, etc. Nitrogen is used for manufacturing ammonia. Chlorine is used as bleaching agent and in sterilizing water. Hydrogen is used as a rocket fuel and hydrogen flame is used for cutting and welding purposes as well as reducing agent. Comparative study of metals and non-metals. Let's see some properties of metals and non-metals. Metals are shiny in nature, non-metals are dull in nature. Metals are very hard and non-metals are brittle. Metals are malleable and non-metals are not malleable. Metals are ductile and non-metals are not ductile. Metals are good conductor of heat and non-metals are bad conductor of heat. Metals are good conductor of electricity, non-metals are bad conductor of electricity. Metals are solid in nature and non-metals are solid, liquid or gases in nature. Metals are higher density, non-metals are lower density. Metalloids. The elements which exhibit the properties of metals as well as non-metals are called metalloids. Examples: boron, silicon, arsenic, germanium, antimony, tellurium, and polonium. Physical properties of metalloids. Metalloids are all solid at room temperature. They can form alloys with other metals. Some metalloids such as silicon and germanium can act as electrical conductors under the specific conditions. Thus, they are called semiconductors. Silicon, for example, appears lustrous but is not malleable nor ductile. It is a much poorer conductor of heat and electricity than the metals. The physical properties of metalloids tend to be metallic, but their chemical properties tend to be non-metallic. Uses of metalloids. Silicon is used in electronic devices. Boron is used in fireworks and as a fuel for ignition in rocket. Compound. Compound is a pure substance which is formed due to the chemical combination two or more elements in a fixed ratio by mass. The properties of a compound are different from those of its constituents. Example: water, carbon dioxide, sodium chloride, etc. A molecule of water is composed of an oxygen atom and two hydrogen atoms in the ratio 1:2 by volume or 8:1 by mass. Classification of compound. Compound is classified as inorganic compounds and organic compounds. Inorganic compounds. Compounds obtained from non-living sources such as rock, minerals, etc. are called inorganic compounds. Example: chalk, baking powder. Organic compounds. Compounds obtained from living sources such as plants, animals, etc. are called organic compound. Example: protein, carbohydrates, etc. Let's see some important compounds that exist in solid state. Silica, potassium hydroxide, sodium hydroxide, copper sulfate, and zinc carbonate. These compounds are exist in solid state. Water, hydrochloric acid, nitric acid, sulfuric acid, acetic acid, and these compounds are exist in liquid state. Carbon dioxide, a carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide, methane, nitrogen dioxide, ammonia, and these compounds are exist in gaseous state. Let's see some uses of compounds. Water is used for drinking and as solvent. Table salt, it used for essential component of our daily diet, preservative for meat and fish. Sugar is used for preparation of sweets, toffees, and fruit juices. Baking soda is used for fire extinguisher, preparation of baking powder, and preparation of cakes and bread. Washing soda is used as a cleaning agent in soap and softening of hot water. Bleaching powder is used as bleaching agent, disinfect and sterilization of drinking water. Quicklime is used as manufacture of cement and glass. Slacked lime and limestone is used for whitewashing of walls and preparation of chalk paste. Things to know. Let's see some older name of this compound. Copper sulfate, the older name is blue vitriol. Ferrous sulfate is green vitriol. Potassium nitrate, saltpeter. Sulfuric acid is oil of vitriol. Calcium sulfate, gypsum. Calcium sulfate, hemihydrate, plaster of Paris. Potassium chloride, muriate of potash. These are all the older name of these compounds. Summary of this part. Today we have discussed non-metal physical properties and uses. Metalloids, physical properties of metalloids and uses of metalloids. And also we have discussed compound and classification of compound. Students, an interesting follow-up activity for you all. First activity, find the scientific meaning for the following. Second activity, write the molecular formula for the following. In third activity, an interesting hands-on skill. Based on the above example, prepare molecular model using ball and stick for the following. Hope you understand this part. Thank you, students.